If you've ever wanted your text to wrap perfectly around a shape or add a stylish twist to your design, this quick Canva guide is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create circle text in Canva for 2025, and you'll be able to do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Canva project, the one where you want the circular text to appear. Click on any existing text box or add a new one if you haven't already. Make sure the text is selected so you can apply the transformation properly. With that text highlighted, look at the top toolbar and click on Effects. This panel is where Canva keeps all its text styling tools, so give it a second to load if needed. Once you're in the Effects menu, select the option called Curve. The moment you click it, you'll see your text start to bend. Now, look for the Curve slider. Drag it all the way to the right to increase the curve intensity. Depending on your font size and the amount of text, you'll get a semicircle or even a full circular shape. If it doesn't look perfect immediately, that's totally normal. To refine the shape, click on the spacing settings. Under letter spacing, drag the slider left or right. This controls how close or far apart each character sits. Adjust it slowly until the text wraps into a smooth, clean circle. This small tweak is what makes the circle look intentional instead of stretched or uneven. From here, you can change your font, adjust size, or add color to match your layout. Try different styles to see what fits your design. Circle text works beautifully for logos, social media graphics, stickers, labels, and more. And that's all it takes. A simple text box, one effect, and a quick spacing adjustment, and you've got circular text ready to use in your design. If this tutorial helped you out, hit subscribe and stick around for more easy Canva tricks and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.